Let's talk about Terra Classic real quick. This is the Terra Luna Classic price chart on the daily time frame with the ticker symbol of LUNC. Now we are currently on the daily time frame, and the only thing that has changed so far is we tapping into this support territory I brought you guys attention to few weeks ago. So we are now back into that zone, and from the look of things, I think we should get a bounce from here. We are going to be talking about the liquidation heat map for Terra Luna Classic as well, which is having an interesting liquidity. We're going to be talking about the orders chart and also the BTC price chart on the monthly time frame. Back to the Terra Luna Classic chart, we are also going to briefly, let's even talk about the MACD indicator on the one-day time frame. Now, if you're paying attention to the Terra Classic MACD indicator on the daily time frame, it is obvious the MACD line is beginning to curve gradually to the upside, and eventually is going to cross above the signal line, signaling a bullish rally is inbound for Terra Classic. And also, if you're paying attention, the histogram, the MACD histogram, the bearish histogram is beginning to change to white, which sooner or later the next move is likely to be a bullish MACD histogram print. Now, the moment that bullish MACD histogram is being printed, it is going to be a little bit too late for the short-term traders, Terra Classic traders to be precise, because by then we would have like pumped massively on a daily candle. Now, if I'm being sincere, considering what the MACD indicator is doing, I'm expecting a pump from here, a bounce from here to the upside all the way to around 0.4041 for Terra Classic. This is what I'm expecting. Pump to this, what's it called? Bearish resistance territory for Terra Classic for the short term. If you're here to like this video, please smash the like button, destroy the like button, share this video with your friends and family if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel if you haven't. The moment we are able to overcome this zone, that is when I can start expecting the price to rally into this significant resistance territory around 0.4050 for Terra Classic. A flip of that resistance into a support is going to be game over for the bears, like seriously, if you ask me. Now, the second scenario is we losing this lower time frame previous support and then trading into 0.00033, which is 0.4033. But I think we are likely to get a pump, a bounce from here to the upside to this price territory around 0.4041 first. Then after that, I can give you guys an update on the next price direction I think is going to happen. But you never can tell. A tweet from Donald Trump might just end up scattering the chart, because nowadays it's now obvious that the president of the United States tweet is what is being used as a buy and sell indicator for risk asset market and for the general financial market, which is so pathetic and sad, like seriously. If you're paying attention to the liquidation heat map for Terra Luna Classic, we have liquidity scattered on both sides. We have liquidity to the upside all the way to 0.0004039, and also liquidity scattered to the downside all the way to 0.4037, which, if you're coming back to what we just said on the chart, it perfectly aligns with our short-term price target of this territory for Terra Classic. Now, the reason why I'm still bullish on Terra Classic is because the orders against the BTC pair chart is still holding strongly above this multi-year trend line, multi-year support territory. We've held above that support territory in almost every market cycle. As a matter of fact, the most similar pattern was the pattern that happened in 2019. I think 2019 playbook is likely to repeat herself in 2026. The last time quantitative tightening came to an end was August 1st, 2019, which marks the bottom of the altcoin market then. And what happened after then? Altcoin market rallied aggressively to the upside. A lot of altcoin exploded as a result of this move. We are currently on the monthly time frame. The last time quantitative tightening came to an end for this market cycle was December 1st, 2025, which I specifically told you guys I think that is going to mark the market bottom as well, which from the look of things, I think it is still moving as predicted. The altcoin market bottomed and we are still holding above the multi-year support trend line. A loss of that multi-year support trend line will invalidate everything I've said so far in the last couple of months about altcoins. I'm still bullish. I'm expecting a bounce from here to the upside, which if that bounce is happening, the likes of Terra Luna Classic, Terra Classic is going to pump aggressively. We might even pump 10x easily, 20x easily from where Terra Classic is currently trading. If you're even paying attention as well, the MACD indicator for the orders chart against the BTC pair just printed a bullish histogram as well. This is the first bullish histogram we've had in more than 24 months. 24 months, more than 2 years. And the MACD line is now obviously crossing above the signal line, which is the orange line. All these signs are indicators of a pump for Terra Classic. All the stars are already aligning for an altcoin aggressive pump, which is likely to carry Terra Classic along as well. We are still waiting for the BTC dominance to dump aggressively. The last time that happened in 2017 and 2021, altcoin market exploded. So the moment this dump begins in 2026, the altcoin market is going to explode. Terra Classic is going to pump aggressively as well. So that's that for that. And like this video if you haven't already. Subscribe to my channel. And my name is Isaac. And yeah, so the fear and greed index is currently at 25%, indicating extreme fear. Last week we were this close in getting into the greed zone, but due to the wars and rumors of wars, and also Trump tweet, the market tanked immediately, thereby devastating a lot of bullish setup on the chart. The BTC bullish setup I talked about a few days ago also got invalidated as a result of Trump's tweet. It is what it is. I'm still bullish on the market regardless, as long as the orders chart remains above this multi-year trend line. There's no cause for alarm. There's no need to panic sell your Terra Luna Classic token. Whatever I say, by the way, at the end of the day, is strictly my own opinion and should not by any means be regarded as financial advice. As always, my name is Isaac. Peace out.